my cup. Should I move it? All right, great. Welcome to Live TV, everybody. So the story of VP Records started in 1958 with founders Vincent and Patricia, the V and the P, and the rest, as they say, is history. On set with us, Delia called her earlier reggae royalty. Can't fight that. Patricia Chin, or Miss Pat, here to tell us about what she's been up to. It's such an honor to have you on our set. Good morning to you.
Good morning
and
to you,
welcome
and
to Smart
thank you
Jamaica.
for having me.
It's good to have you home.
Yes, land of my birth.
Yes. How did you feel when the plane touched down?
Very good. Always good to come back home.
I know.
Very good to come back home. This is the land of my birth.
Are you home to rest, Miss Pat, or are you working?
I'm working.
Of course
and
you're
resting and enjoy the atmosphere, the food, and my acquaintances again.
Yes, and you're here for Reggae Month, which is so interesting.
Yes, I'm here for Reggae Month, and also the celebration of Jamaican exhibit.
Okay. All right, couple of things you're working on that we want to talk about. You're working on an autobiography?
Yes, it will be released in the summer, and it's a story about my life.
Yes.
From I was born.
It's called Miss Pat,
yes.
My Reggae Journey.
Yes.
And it's going to be released in September of this year.
Yes, of my birthday.
Okay, so can we talk a little bit about that reggae journey?
Well, the reggae journey.
When did you fall in love with reggae music?
Well, very from an early age. You know, when I was 7, my mother said we need to learn music. So she sent my sister and myself to play the piano. We really didn't stick by it too much because we came from a very poor family. And she couldn't afford to continue. But when I went to do nursing at age 18, I fall in love with my husband. I chuck up the nursing and start on a road with him to change the jukebox records. And that's where my love of music started, to see the crowd, how happy they were when he came to change the records.
Yes.
There was just like, you know, it's like God walking into the clubs and the bars because they were so happy.
That's music, right? When it hits you.
At that time, there were only American records. You know,
Wow.
Percy Slade, Jim Reeves, the Drifters, Little Richards.
Yeah.
We didn't have Jamaican music.
Right.
At least it wasn't born as yet. Maybe a few Mentos.
Yeah.
But that was old 78 record. Couldn't play in the jukebox.
So you started with, is it Randy Records?
Yeah, we started at 17 North Parade with Randy's record. We're selling old jukebox records at first.
Yeah.
And then we developed it into a studio. And we stayed there for 20 years.
Yeah.
Ran
When you went upstairs,
17.
upstairs became a part of the operations.
Become the studio where we opened the doors to the young artists.
Yeah. And you left Jamaica when?
I left Jamaica in
1979.
1977.
77.
Oh,
And the
40
business opened in
years.
79?
Yes, we started the business in 1958.
Gosh.
I was just 18 then. And we continued for 20 years there. I built a studio, opened the doors for the young entrepreneurs like Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac.
Yeah, you signed out Jacob Miller, Barrington Levy.
Miller, Barrington Levy.
Alborosi. I mean,
Well,
if
he
you were
came
to make
after.
yes,
Yes.
Alborosi was a good while after,
Yes.
but I'm sure if you were to list, you wouldn't have enough paper.
Yes, we had quite a lot of artists, producers, musicians, and foreigners who come to buy music to take to England. Europe was a big market for us.
How has the industry changed, Miss Pat, since you started?
Well, you know, people buy music now on the internet and the downloads. But we're on the cutting edge. My sons take over the business, which is Randy and Chris, and my grandchildren. So they're on the cutting edge of technology.
Yes. And you're telling me vinyl is coming back?
And then, yes, vinyl is coming back. Now we just released a box set.
Oh, tell me about this.
Celebrating 40 years of VP Records in New States. It has 101 artists and 96 tracks. It has
Lovers Rock, Reggae and Dancehall, the Art Sound, all these goodies. And like a soca in there as well. Let me look at some of the folks who are on it. Okay, too much people. Whole heap of people.
101 artists is on it. 96 tracks. It has
Collector's
a CD,
item?
collector's item. It has a booklet showing all the history of the music for 40 years. And it has a CD, vinyl, 7-inch. It's the whole
What does
package.
this go for, Miss Pat?
It goes for about $100.
Yes, man. I know.
And it's available on the
Is it limited edition? Or?
limited edition, first pressing, and after this, it's finished.
You hear that, people? Your phone going to ring off the hook, because let me tell you, I know some DJs who are so upset that vinyl did not become a thing and that it's making a resurgence because they never gave up their turntables.
And my friend Carter has selected some tracks that were so hard to get. We went all over the world to get these tracks.
Fantastic.
So it's really a collector's item.
Okay, so what else do we need to know what's in here?
I did put out, every year we put out a calendar
So you have a
celebrating
calendar.
the artist's birthday and the
Okay.
history of all those
Who is this on the front?
stores. Who is this on it?
Oh, busy.
Busy.
Oh, this is nice. I
Yes.
don't know how you decided on busy, but we don't have enough time to go right there.
Right.
But this is nice to have a calendar. Lots of other goodies. Where do folks find the
It's
box
the
set?
internet,
Okay.
vpreggae.com.
Okay.
And we're trying to get it in the gift shops here.
All right. So we're looking for the autobiography. What about the Vincent and Pat Foundation? Chancy?
Yes, that will be launched in another month or so. And my foundation is really to embrace my culture and to give a voice to the young upcoming children who we know that music is one of the best tools for them.
Yeah. Speaking of
all my charities that I have here.
Speaking of youth, you are 82 years young.
Yes.
What's left?
84
What is there
this
left
year.
for you to do in music? I mean, you've done it all.
Well, as I don't go to work as often, I mostly do my charities.
Yes.
And to spread my love for music all over the world.
Yeah. Well, can I ask you what you think about reggae music now?
I think reggae music is at the forefront of all music, because on my travels I could see how much they love our music and our culture. They try to imitate it in every way, but we are the original.
And how do you feel about Coffee winning the Grammy?
Oh my God, Coffee was so great. I'm so happy for her being a woman.
Yes.
We embrace women and are cussed.
Yeah.
Because the years gone by, women were only backup singers. Now we have
Forefront.
Yeah. And I'm so happy. Congratulations, Coffee.
Yeah, well, a
We
lot
have
of...
Janine and all the rest coming up behind you. Yes.
Well, a lot of that...
And they come with something more special.
Unique.
Not unique,
Yes.
not only singing, but they're very unique.
Well, a lot of that...
And I'm so happy for the women
Forefront
like myself
work.
who think I couldn't sell a record.
Yeah.
When I went to America first, trying to build a business, take care of my kids, find somewhere to live. It was very hard.
Can imagine.
Because when I went, we were telemarketing, when I went on the phone, they would say to me, could you put on a man? I said, what's wrong?
No.
He doesn't know that I know the record.
In fact, you're taking us into another discussion for another time. There's so much we could talk to you about, but we do have to go.
Yes.
But we thank you for being here. And you speak of women at the forefront. We have to pay homage to you as a woman who is at the forefront and has paved the way for a lot of these ladies to have a voice in this industry. So thank you for being here.
Thank you very much for having me,
you.
and all the best for Smile Jamaica.
Thank you very
Yes.
much. Thank you very much. You certainly put a smile on our faces this morning. Patricia, Miss Patricia, founder of VP Records. Still to come, our dancehall choreographies. The dances, are they safe or too risky? We find out more after the break. But first, we find out what's happening in the news. Be right back.